Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video, I will share with you how I make Shitor. So Shitor is a Ghanaian hot pepper sauce. You can usually recognize it by its dark brown color. So it goes well with different kinds of foods. I personally like to eat it with wache or with some boiled eggs. Okay, so before we move on, I want to put out a quick disclaimer. This condiment, Shitor, is made with a lot of oil. Oil is what preserves it so that you can enjoy it longer. So if for whatever reason you're opposed to using lots of oil, this might not be something that you want to make. So now that that is out of the way, let's move on to the ingredients. So for this Shitor, I use coconut oil, Scotch bonnets, chili powder, chili flakes, ginger, tomato paste, onion, garlic, salt, stock cube, dried crayfish, and smoked prawns. To start with prepping the ingredients, here I am processing my dried chili into chili flakes. Here I'm working on the garlic, peel the ginger, cut the onions, and cut the ginger. Here I'm processing the crayfish. To make it even simpler for yourself, you can also look for crayfish powder instead. I also use smoked prawns, which is optional. You can choose to either only use crayfish or you could only use prawns. In your blender, combine the onions, garlic, and Scotch bonnet. Instead of water, I am adding coconut oil. I'm doing this for two main reasons. First of all, my blender needs a little bit of help. Without any form of liquid, it wouldn't be able to blend it. Secondly, adding oil will significantly reduce cooking time. And that is because our goal with Shitor is to get rid of a lot of the water content. So if we're adding water to mix it, eventually we'll have to cook it longer to get rid of the water again. So heat some of the oil over low to medium fire and add the vegetables we just blended. Cook it over low to medium fire for about 20 to 25 minutes. So you want to keep stirring it. That is very important because Shitor can burn very quickly. You want to keep an eye on it, and I personally stirred it about every 2 to 3 minutes. So this is definitely not something that you can make and walk away and come back. You need to be there and see what is happening. As you can see, the color is changing and the water content is reducing, and you can see that because the oil is coming to the surface. At this point, I've been cooking this for about 20 to 25 minutes, and here I am adding the tomato paste. Make sure to mix it well and allow it to cook for 10 more minutes over low fire. So from this point moving forward, we will keep the fire low just to prevent it from burning. Here you can also see that the oil is coming to the surface. The color has changed a bit and it has reduced in size. So now we're ready to move to the next step. Add the shrimp and crayfish powder. This is going to absorb a lot of the oil, so I'm adding some more coconut oil. At this point, it has been cooking for about 10 minutes over low fire. You still want to keep an eye on it and stir it regularly. And now it's time to add the chili flakes and pepper. You can choose to only use the powder or only the flakes, but again, I like the combination of the two. I cooked it over very low fire for an additional 7 to 10 minutes. So it takes some time and dedication to make this, but when you're done, you have your own homemade Shitor, which you can use for a very long time because a little really goes a long way. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up and do not forget to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, guys.